wanted to eat a cicada, but just didn't know how? Well now, with the Cater Cookbook, you can indulge in any cicada eating adventure that you desire.
We're here with Carl and Ed Cicadering to teach you how to cook cicadas.
Damn it. Some people call these cicadas. Some people call them locusts. All we know, them caters, good eating.
They is good eating, Carl. I'm kind of hungry right now. What do you say we go pick... What the hell? What the hell?
You can't be cussing in my video?
Okay, I just got me some here. They're good eating. I'd love to eat these caters. We can kind of find them over here in these bushes over here. That you saw earlier. That's good.
Look at them caters right in there. Look at
Good
that
if you
cater
don't know.
bag. Alright, I think that's enough for a meal.
Yeah,
Listen to him sing.
That's about one serving right there if I get a little hungry. You know, I might need to go put on my stretching pants because I feel like I'm going to go eat a lot of caters today.
The most common way to eat a cater is just pick it up and put it in your mouth. Just eat it on the fly, as they say. That's my personal favorite. You just pick this thing up and get them cater right there. Just put it in your mouth and chew. Ready? Good caters.
No way.
First, you gotta boil them caters. You gotta get on that dirt and nasty stuff all down, so that all that's left is cater goodness.
Now all you do is take your caters that you put in your little bag, you just throw a couple in there, just throw them in your boiling pot of water.
Now, Ed, I'm hungry. You better put more in there.
You know what, Carl? I think I am too. I think we just gotta eat a lot today.
Look at them caters. Cater. Yes. Now you just set that in there, just like that.
4 or 5 minutes.
Put it on there, and then you just press start. Little timer. Oh, whoopsie. That's not timer. There we go. 5 minutes. When they're done, you just get them out, and they got boiled caters.
Caters.
Alright, looks like these are about done right here. It's been 5 minutes. Take these over here.
And we just grab the strain real quick, get all them juices out.
Roasted caters right there.
Carl, could you get the spoon for me?
I got the spoon right here. There you go, Ed. Look at that.
Thank you.
Trying to get away from my skater.
Not
Smell
you.
that? Smell that?
Kind of smells like asparagus if you think about
Smells like caters to me.
Just let them sit here a little bit until they're nice and good. They actually look pretty good right now.
Look at them caters. I just want to eat them right now. Dang.
All right, then we just let them sit there for a little bit and then we're ready to cook them.
Now that these caters have been boiled, we're going to make ourselves some roasted caters. All you got to do here, set your oven for 400, just kind of sprinkle them caters on the tray like that. Yeah, just sprinkle some on there. Then, Ed, could you just go ahead and spray some Pam on that?
I sure could, Carl.
Yep. There you go. Just get yep. Then you just take some salt here. Can't forget your salt. Just kind of sprinkle them on that, just like that. Yep. Then something's ready to go in the oven.
Now we're going to open this oven and it's set at 400 degrees.
400 right there.
We will place this in here for about, I'll say 15 minutes. All right, 15
Set that
minutes.
in there. There's 15 minutes right here. 15. That'd be good.
And that cater goodness, it'll just be coming out.
Yeah.
Okay, while we're roasting some caters in here, we're going to start stir frying. Actually, we're going to be what we doing?
Sauteing these
sauteing
caters.
them. That's what we're doing. We're just
So damn!
Oh!
Dang!
Oh!
Damn caters!
What? Let me tell you what, I'm getting burned over here. But it's good because it's we're eating them.
That's worth it. That's worth it, Carl. Feel the burn for the caters.
Oh man!
Let's put this over here.
Put that over it a little bit. Turn it down. Clearly we had it on too high. You might want to in the cater cookbook. Oh, we got a little bit of splatters on it, but it'll tell you in there safety features, and remember, it's available for purchase. All right.
Oh my God, dude, that burned the crap. Now that we got the temperature corrected here, we got ourselves some sauteed caters here. Notice how it's not jumping out at us. We got some safety features in there. And we just kind of stir that around there. Look at there. Got yourself some sauteed caters and just scrumptious. I want to eat one right now, but they're a bit hot. We'll wait till later. That's it. Looks like our caters are done here. We're just going to open this up, take a little peeky here. Oh, look at there.
I tell you what, Carl, they smell good, don't they?
They do. They're just like popcorn. You just throw one in your mouth, it just melts like butter. Goodness. What we got here is some deep fried caters. We got ourselves our trusty Fry Daddy there. You can find them anywhere. They make some good fried caters. We're just going to deep fry some caters here. We got some Crisco oil. You just put it in there, heat it up for a little bit. When you got your caters, you're just going to pour them suckers in there.
Now get ready, Carl. These are going to be popping.
And we call these our chirper fried caters.
Now I read in the manual of our cater cookbook, and it said to watch out. Apparently we didn't do that with the last time, but here we go.
Fried caters going on right there. I don't know how long we need them in there, Paul. But I said them cooking good. That smells like goodness to me. It smells like my mom's cooking.
Your mom's cooking. That's my sister. You smell kind of good, Carl.
How long do we need these in there, Paul?
I don't know. Let me get my trusty cater cookbook.
Look at that.
Alright, it says right here, now we just keep cooking them until they stop popping.
That's going to take a long time, Brian.
Whatever you like.
Or Ed.
That's what it says.
Alright, we need to plate these caters.
What?
Now, chirper caters.
Oh, tripper caters.
Now them caters stop popping. I think they're ready to go. Yep. Just take them right off right there. Just let them drain off for a little bit. And just send them on right there, just like that. Look at that. Them beauties right there. Just gotta take them off right there. Now kids, just remember, this stuff is hot. So you just watch yourself. Alright, then I'll stop. Now in our cater cookbook right here, we got ourselves some desserts too. And one of my favorites is we got some cater fondue. What you do here is you just take off their wings here, just take them aside like that, and you stick them on a little sticky like this. Just take one, stick the cater on there like that. You just dip them in the chocolate. You can double dip them if you want. You just cover them like that, and look at that. You got yourself some fondue chocolate covered caters.
Carl, I lost a cater in there.
Awesome, you better get that. We ain't wasting on these caters. We gotta eat them all. Look at that. See that? That's some quality fried cater. Or hot chocolate covered cater. I just love my cater fondue. Need some help there, Ed? Oh, there you go.
Oh, I got it.
Look at that. You just sit there, you just stick them in there like that.
Been doing this for
See,
you.
we've already taken off the wings of these. You sit there, just take that. Caters. Alright, Daniel, you can take that off now.
Tell you didn't. Now, Carl and I, we came up with this one on our own. We love caters so much, we kept eating them and we had nothing to drink, so we came up with our special formulated Caterade here at Carl and Ed's Catering. Now, what you do is you take your blender, you fill it up with some water. It don't really matter, we just how much water you put in there, but you just fill her up, and then you get our Caterade comes with a little cup on its own, so you measure it right.
There's just a little bit of extra flavor right here.
Yep.
You just put that in there just like that.
Put that in there, some cicada stuff, and then top it off.
Most important ingredient right here.
The cicadas.
Just kind of dump that in there just like that.
Dump.
So now you want to cover this up because them caters are going to be flying everywhere.
Boy, this looks good.
And now, we got a button called liquefy on here. This makes this a nice little puree. Just go hit that there. Go liquefy. Go ahead. Oh, good. I think that's good enough, Ed, that's some good catering there. Oh, man.
I can't wait to sample some of this stuff.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Just get a look at that.
Oh, man, that smells good.
That's some prime Gatorade there. Let's go have ourselves a little drinky.
Let's have a little drink. Right in our Gatorade, there's some pulp in it. It's preference. If you want it or take it out, you know, whatever you want. You can strain it. There's a lot of pulp in mine. That's how I like it. Now we're just going to pour it in here some. Boy, that looks good, doesn't it?
Some tasty Gatorade there. Full of protein and your vitamins. That stuff's just a healthy energy drink right there. Ready for this?
Wait.
Let's drink up.
No, let's save this for when we have our little supper, you know.
Yeah, alright, ready?
Yeah, like same.
Take it off. Looks like we got ourselves a meal here. We got our, we finished up here. We got our deep fried, roasted right here. We got sauteed. We got our fondue chocolate caters. And we got our Gatorade right here. And just remember, you can get all these and more in our Cater cookbook right here. And tell me, Ed, what do you get if you buy this right now?
We'll tell you right now, Carl. We get a free supply of Gatorade if you call right now and order us Cater cookbook from us.
That'll last you a long time, though. All right, we're just going to go ahead and just give me some of that deep fried cake right there.
Yeah, no problem,
Get some of them right there.
Yeah.
Would you like some sauteed?
I sure would.
All right, go ahead and load up. Let me get you some of them sauteed ones.
That's
Get some of
good.
them roasted ones. Just go ahead.
Roasted, one of my personal favorites.
Oh, yeah.
I might need to take a few more.
Get some
few
of them in
extra
there.
of those.
All right, well, happy catering to all of you guys, and you ready to eat this? Ready?
Happy catering to you.
Happy catering.
On
Good
out.
luck.
Oh, it's delicious.
Actually, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, the legs are in my mouth, dude.